Storage permission not showing easy fix in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve storage permission not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically solve if your storage permission isn't showing, is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open up settings. Now first of all, simply go to the option called apps on your Android device. From here, tap the three dots option from your top right, then go to the option called special access. Then from here select the option called all files access, and here you can simply select the app for which you want to allow the storage permission. After you do that, you want to simply come back, and then after you do that, select the application for which you want to allow the permission again. From here simply go to the option called permissions. Then it will have this little permission known as files, so you want to make sure to allow the files access. Storage permission does not come in the name of storage permission, it comes in the name of files access. You have to allow access to manage all the files so that they can store downloads and everything else that is necessary over there. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.